to take one more session of your virtual internship. Last time I had an awesome participation from all of you. Some key protocols which I follow in all my sessions, I repeat again. So firstly, whenever I ask any question, please unmute that time only. Otherwise, keep mute at all times. तो गलती से unmute हो भी गया तो कोई बात नहीं, तुरंत mute कर देना. And second thing, when you answer, please tell your name and then answer. See, since I can't see you, it's not an offline class, so I would like to connect you through by the name. Okay. So today's session is customer service. Okay. So before we delve into what is the activity given in your chapter, okay. So before that, I would just like to take a previous recap. So all went through and have thought which company they will take up for this thing about the company we had taken, right? So all have gone through that and have decided what they will choose.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they are pretty clear now. So what they will be choosing and everything. Okay. So for today's thing, before I move ahead, so I want you all to answer what is customer service. Or agar first we will take first thing, that is one word for customer service in your terms, and then a 2 to 3 lines definition in your words. Okay, मुझे textual नहीं चाहिए, आपके शब्दों में बोलना हो customer service क्या है. Okay, so first part of the question, one word you can tell, and next part would be telling 2 lines. Yeah. Okay. Let's start.
Customer service is understanding the need of the customer and satisfying that, trying to satisfy that.
Okay, you straight away jump to the second part. Okay, no
Ma'am,
matter.
ma'am,
One
Kishan
word
Kanojia
I
here.
was asking.
Kishan
Yeah,
Kanojia here.
Kishan, please go ahead.
Satisfaction.
Yeah.
Satisfaction.
Satisfaction. Yeah, both of them. Okay, satisfaction. Anyone else? Another word?
Ma'am,
On the whiteboard, I would have written satisfaction. Okay, I've written satisfaction on my whiteboard. Next.
Yeah, hi Bhumika, this is Abhishek here.
Quality.
Yeah, Abhishek, please tell.
Yeah, it would be assistance.
Assistance. Okay, so we have another word on my whiteboard, that is assistance. Satisfaction, assistance. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Abhishek.
yes,
Next.
Requirements
Needs
and expectations of the
support.
customer.
One
Requirement.
second, one by one. Yasha? Yeah, Yasha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, customer support.
Yeah, ma'am. Fulfill the customer requirement.
Customer support, customer requirement. Okay. Next.
Varun,
Ma'am,
this side,
yeah.
Varun Dikshit.
Sorry, your name?
Experience.
Varun Dikshit. Can you hear me?
Varun Dikshit, yeah, tell.
Yes, customer service, anything, if our customer is facing any problem with our product or our service, and we are providing them assistance over the any medium, call, email, or in person, that is customer service to solve their problems with our product or our services.
So in one word, if I define, that's problem solving, 1 or 2 words. Okay, problem solving. We have satisfaction, requirements, assistance, problem solving. Yeah. Hello.
Hi, ma'am. This is Pooja.
Priority. Yeah. One more girl answered. Yeah, dear. I couldn't
This
hear
is
you.
Pooja. Pooja.
Yeah, Pooja.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah,
This is Pooja. Yeah.
Hi,
So,
dear.
empathetically understanding customers' need.
Okay, empathetically
Empathizing.
understanding the customer need. Okay, so thinking from
Yes.
their point of view, not the business point of view.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Very beautifully
Emotional
put.
connection.
Yeah. Emotional connection.
Arjun this side.
Yeah, Arjun, please go ahead. Yes.
According to me, in short, customer service means the service which you provide to the customer from entering to the store to leaving the store.
Yeah, matlab sab kuch, right? Right from the way the customer store is designed till the time he checks out. Okay, perfect. So all the entry points and exit points. Okay. Anyone else with a new perspective? What can be customer service in your words? Yeah.
Providing answers. Martin.
Providing answers. Okay.
Post sales service man.
Provide the good quality of product and satisfy the need of the customer.
Good quality product and satisfy the need of customer. Yeah. Then post sales service. Okay. So the person who answered, that is right from the
One more thing I would like to add here, ma'am.
Yeah, this Pooja, right?
Yeah, ma'am, Pooja, yes.
Yeah.
So when a customer comes to the store,
Okay.
so customer should feel that he or she has spent a beautiful hour, that like till the time the customer is there in the store. That's the
Bingo. I was
satisfaction of
searching for this
customer.
answer. So that is customer experience, right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Customer experience. Yes. Good.
Madam, it is understanding the stated and unstated needs to deliver.
Stated and unstated needs to deliver. Very good. मतलब हर कस्टमर बोलते नहीं है मुझे ये येलो कुर्ता ही चाहिए. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं यार मुझे वो कलर दिखाओ ना जो ये करता है वो करता है. आप लोगों को समझना पड़ता है कि कस्टमर येलो पूछ रहा है, पिंक पूछ रहा है. Yeah. So that becomes unstated. Okay.
And one more importance to them.
Importance. What is important to them? Okay. Great. So thank you students for all the lovely
Ma'am,
answers.
Customers.
Yeah. Sorry. कोई कुछ कह रहा था.
And the support you offer to your customers.
So support you offer to the customer. Yeah.
मैम नॉइस बहुत आ रही है बाकी
Yeah,
स्टूडेंट्स जो बोल नहीं रहे उनकी तरफ से.
Okay. So I request all of you to mute. I've got all the answers. Yeah. So thank you so much. I'm audible enough, right? I can continue now. If you student.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now please mute.
ma'am.
Yeah. So आप सब लोगों ने बहुत सारे आंसर्स दिए, राइट? फ्रॉम द कस्टमर सपोर्ट, असिस्टेंस, रिक्वायरमेंट्स, एम्पैथी, कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस, देन उसके बाद द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, गिविंग आंसर्स, गिविंग द सपोर्ट, गिविंग द असिस्टेंस, and right from the customer enters the store till he exits. So many answers, and you all are right. That is part of customer service, right? And to part of customer service, one of the most important part, as Pooja answered, is that giving that great experience that they would love to return again to my store, right? Okay. So I have a question to I have a story and then a question. So let's go to our story. So I was just seeing the names of the students. So today I'll take my character as Pooja. Okay. So Pooja was super excited to buy the new phones. Okay. So Pooja is a very tech savvy girl and she just loves buying the best gadgets in the world, and she is super excited. Okay. So वो पाई जोड़ के अपने पूरी पॉकेट मनी जोड़ के उसके जितने भी ये हो रहे वो अपने जो X1 फोन करके कुछ रिलीज हुआ था MI का या जो भी ब्रांड का, तो she thought she'll buy that. Okay, and that is the latest version, some 11th or 12th edition. And the day came when the phone got released, and she was super excited, and she phoned the she booked it on a site or wherever she could get, and to her surprise, she got it on 25% off rate also, since it was a website and everything. And उसने जो इतनी मेहनत से पैसे जोड़े थे उसने पूरा पेमेंट कर दिया and everything, and now she was waiting for the arrival, and it showed it will be delivered within 3 to 5 days, and she was so happy because within a week her birthday was also coming. So वो उसकी तरफ से अपने लिए वो birthday gift था. And finally the phone came. Okay, and the phone came, and when she opened it and when she switched it on, she was so happy. She was so मतलब पूजा वगैरह सब कर लिया उसने, मतलब सबको दिखा दिया कि इसका फोन आया and everything, and finally she switched it on, and 1 घंटे तक तो अच्छे से चला, and suddenly 1 घंटे के बाद that just got switched off. और उसके बाद उसने 2 घंटे चार्ज पे रखा, उसने सेल वापस ऊपर नीचे किया, बट कुछ नहीं हुआ, and phone is just switched off. तो पूजा जितना भी एक्साइटमेंट, जितना भी हैप्पीनेस था, सडनली मतलब एकदम क्वेश्चन मार्क में चला गया. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टेट. पूजा, can I get you on call? Hello Pooja, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hi.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Pooja, this is your real story. Okay, सारे काल्पनिक है मेरा. So I'm saying ये अभी रियल स्टोरी चल रहा है. ओके, एंड अभी हाथ में वो बंद फोन आपके हाथ में है. ओके, so now tell me what is your reaction? Okay, बर्थडे कल है, सारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स को बोला है मैं तो X1 12th एडिशन X1 12th एडिशन फोन से ही फोटोज लूंगी, देखना क्या क्वालिटी होगा, और सबको बोला है, सबको ये किया है, और मतलब सबको बोला है कि देखना मेरे पास बेस्ट फोन है, दिस इज एंड suddenly phone is not getting on. Okay, I want your reaction. Like abhi aaj tak kabar kabhi. Come on, yeah. Hi,
So
Pooja.
it will be a big shock. Hi, ma'am. So it will be a big shock that the phone is suddenly switched off and I am not able to do anything and I'm blank totally. I'll be frozen actually. I'll be freezed. So I won't be having like,
ये तो बहुत
yes.
soft मनुष्य है. Okay, but
Yeah,
so you're
exactly.
like
Yeah.
not good.
I mean, I won't be there in the senses to talk to anyone.
Trust me, it's an expensive phone.
Yeah.
Okay, five जोड़ा है
Exactly.
आपके लिए,
So
okay?
exactly. So बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब I'll be like devastated to be honest, and I'll be like totally broken that the phone is not working. I have already mentioned to everyone that मुझे नया phone आया हुआ है and मैं कुछ करने I mean सबको बता दिया है तो सबसे बड़ा शॉक ये होगा क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स ऐसी चीज होती है जहाँ पे you can flaunt everything. तो एक चीज ये हो सकती है कि I maybe in front of friends I can say the truth कि ये हो गया because I bought the phone online, because trusting online website, some website is not possible. So that's why.
Okay,
But
so Pooja,
I will go to a service center
एक
first.
घंटे के बाद आप सुध-बुध जो खो चुके थे वो ये आता है वापस आ जाता है आपका. And after that, the first thing what you will search, what you will do, first thing.
One second.
Pooja, what you will do first thing, मतलब अभी आप senses में आ गए, आपने ये reality dawn कर लिया है कि you have realized that your phone is not switching on. phone कुछ भी करो, charge कर लिया, सब कर लिया, गलती आपके end से नहीं है. phone सच में नहीं, मतलब वो खराब हो गया या जो भी था या जो भी है, but what is your next step? What will you do?
Yeah, so I'll try to call to the service center that this is the issue that I had, and but उसके पहले जहाँ जो वेबसाइट पे मैंने चेक किया है पहले उनकी सर्विस टीम से बात.
Perfect. Okay, service टीम से भी पहले सर्विस को तो कॉल करोगे ही गुस्से से, but उससे भी पहले स्टेप चेक करोगे ना. आप वेबसाइट जाके क्या चेक करोगे?
सबसे पहले मैं चेक करूंगी रिटर्न पॉलिसी क्या है.
Excellent. That is the word. Yes, you will first check. अभी तो इतने एक्साइटमेंट में X1 मॉडल आपने ना रिप्लेसमेंट देखा है ना रिटर्न देखा है ना वारंटी, मतलब सट करके आपने ऑर्डर कर दिया क्योंकि 25% ऑफ मिल रहा था आपको. ठीक है, तो अभी आपकी सुध-बुध लौट आई है, आप वापस ये होने वाला, तो सबसे पहले आप रिटर्न पॉलिसी चेक करोगे. राइट, देयर मे बी एन चांस कि वो रिटर्न ना हो सकता है. राइट, देयर आर सम पीपल हु रियली डोंट रिटर्न. ओके, अभी मान लेते हैं कि उधर है कुछ रिटर्न या रिप्लेसमेंट या जो भी है. ओके, सो लेट्स हैव अ लाइव कॉल ऑफ कस्टमर सर्विस विद मी एंड देन विल प्रोसीड टू टुडेस चैप्टर. ओके, so now you're calling me. Okay, I want you to be super angry and I'm the customer service person. Okay, yeah, call.
Hi, this is Pooja.
So
I have ordered a phone. I received it like after 3.
1 minute. You're called and I am the customer service person. So welcome to our mobile electronics, the super mobile electronics shop. So to receive your order, press 1. To tell any problems about your order, press 2. To know our new range of products, press 3. And to speak to our customer sales executive, press 4. Press 4. Okay. ऐसे म्यूजिक 10-15 मिनट बज रहा है. Okay, 10-15 मिनट. And you should be very angry. Okay. Welcome to the Super Electronics Store. We are the best in India. We are the best in the world, and we provide the bestest services. We have the best collection, and we have recently launched X1 Mobile. You all should buy. ऐसे करके 15 मिनट X1 Mobile बजता रहता. Then again, our customer sales representatives are busy at the moment. Can you please hold on? ऐसे 15 मिनट और बजता रहता. ऐसे let's take it थोड़ा fast forward वरना स्टूडेंट सोचेंगे क्या चल रहा है. तो 1 घंटा हो गया है पूजा. ओके, फाइनली अभी कल बर्थडे है, दोस्तों को बोला है, पेरेंट्स को अगर बोलेंगे कि मैंने इतना महंगा फोन मेरा खराब हो गया तो वो तो बर्थडे के दिन पूरा ही डांट देंगे. तो किसी को कुछ अभी तक बोला नहीं. ठीक है, सब कुछ and 1 घंटा हो गया, and finally I'm the customer service. Hello, madam. Sorry to
Hi.
keep you waiting. So, welcome to our super electronics store. How may I help you?
Bhumika, I just wanted to ask you, what is the return policy of yours?
Okay. नहीं,
And what
Bhumika
kind
का-
of service you guys provide?
नहीं, रिटर्न पॉलिसी से पहले मैडम थोड़ा गुस्सा था कि मैंने अभी भी ऑर्डर किया था. ऑर्डर नंबर ये ऑर्डर नंबर मैं पूछूंगी. तो पहले you will I didn't tell my name. I just said कम करके हेलो. हाँ हेलो.
Okay, that. Hi. हाँ, ये मैंने अभी एक ऑर्डर किया था और मुझे बहुत ही डिसअपॉइंटिंग प्रोडक्ट रिसीव हुआ है.
1 minute, madam. Can you just tell your order ID? See, because we receive thousands of calls, and we can you just give me your number, order ID number?
Of course, you guys receive 1,000 calls, but this is not the way. I've been waiting for 20 minutes. Is this the way to answer a call?
Madam,
No one was
see,
present.
Yeah, that we understand. We apologize for the delay, but the only thing is that we are so much in demand that people keep on calling us. So we are number one in our this thing. So please tell us your order
I'm
ID.
sure you will be receiving more of calls like for complaints only, not for the excitement calls, right?
No,
because
madam.
the service
We
is not
receive
that
for
up to the mark.
orders also. It's not for the complaints. Yeah, please tell how is it?
Yeah. See, I'm totally pissed off with you all guys because the product that I've received is not up to the mark. I switched on the phone and it suddenly got switched off and it is not getting started. Is this the phone?
Which is the model and which is your order ID, ma'am? Which is your order ID, ma'am?
The latest version of yours that you are telling everybody you have made this much,
you might be talking about
marketing
the
and everything.
favorite one, the X1 model, right?
Yes, of course, the
That
favorite
phone
one.
is best, ma'am. It can't happen that way.
Yeah,
I think there must be some short circuit fluctuation at your end, ma'am.
Exactly, because at my house there is no power point where I can charge my phone. This is what you're trying to tell me?
No. I'm saying that we can't have a faulty piece, ma'am. Okay, still you give order ID. I'll see what I can do. Can you give me the
Faulty
order
piece
ID?
means that you have given me a dummy piece. Because of that this thing has happened with me.
Okay, but still, ma'am, I'll just check what is your order ID so that I can tell you about what can be done.
XYZ is the order ID.
So order ID XYZ. Oh, you got it on 25% discount also, ma'am, right?
Yes. Maybe
Ma'am,
because of that you have given me the dummy piece, I believe.
No, nothing like that, ma'am. But to tell you that if you see in that 25% return policy, in that we had clearly mentioned that this product will not be returnable. So you're booking on at your own risk. So, ma'am, nothing can be done from our side because we have already taken your consent in that. Okay, and I can assure you our products are very good, and we can't. This is not possible.
It is not possible. See, it's not in my hand what you have written. This is a digital piece that you have given to me. Yeah.
See, ma'am,
So
you said that you switched it on and then it got off. Matlab, we have set the proper product, but suddenly it got off. It may be kuch to aapka electricity issue hua hoga. So, and plus you got it on 25%
So what do you want me to do? Do I have to go to the owner of the electricity? उनके पास जाके do I have to ask him कि because of you my new phone is being smashed or it is not working? What do you want me to do? You give me the best what I can have from your side. Else I'll just report. I'll file a complaint.
Ma'am, you are ready. You can go ahead and do however you wish to, but we had clearly mentioned in our policy to go back.
That you should reply to me. Is this the way that you are providing me the things?
But ma'am,
Send
we
me
had
360-degree video of it.
Hello, sorry. Who's this?
Send me 360-degree video of it by after unboxing it. Send me 360.
Okay, video. Kaun sa video? Sorry, this is a new angle. Hello, you will upload a. अच्छा, she should have taken a video. Okay.
Only वो ये कह रहा है जब आप unboxing करो तब आप तभी वीडियो बनाओ फोन की.
Oh, lovely. Okay. So, moral of the story, Pooja, ऐसे हम लोग लड़ लेते हैं.
At the time of unboxing, the phone was open.
Yes. Yeah.
तो ऐसे लड़ लेते पूजा, और मैं एकदम खड़ूस मैंने बोल दिया कि एक तो फोन भी 25% पे चाहिए और ये भी कंप्लेन कर रही है कि वापस रिटर्न दो, नया दो. So I said that it's not as per our policy, and you had agreed. We had sent you a small checkbox also that you're doing at your own risk. Still you went ahead, and so it's not our fault करके मैंने रख दिया. ठीक है? So that starts with our today's chapter, exchange and return policy. Yeah. So guys, what is exchange and return policy? Pooja, thanks for volunteering.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I'm Varun this side.
Yeah, Varun, please go ahead.
Yeah, so exchange and return policy is a policy designed by e-commerce and normal commerce stores. So that if you are facing with any issue with the product that is provided by the company, you can change the product, you can exchange the product, or you can just get the full refund for the product. So there are some criteria for it. So if it's some product that are hygienic, some hygiene issue, you cannot try it. You can only exchange. You can only get the replacement for those products. And if the product is, let's take example from Amazon. So if you are purchasing any digital product from Amazon, you can only get the replacement for it first. And if you are purchasing any third-party product from Amazon, the first option that you will get is the refund.
Okay, so why do you want exchange? Just like Pooja's story, we saw that उसका तो mobile खराब हो गया ना. But why exchange? क्यों ये provision बनाया गया है? Anyone?
To build
up a particular faulty issue.
Okay, faulty issue, just like we saw Pooja's phone. Okay, next.
Because particular
the first thing is that because am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Your name and answer.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. My name is Tanya. Because ma'am, the first thing is that when we purchase the online anything, we can't touch the product and we can't see the product what is the actual. So that's why there are return policy. If we are facing any issue in the product, so we can easily replace that.
Excellent. Okay. So we can't touch. We can't feel.
This is Pooja again.
Yeah, Pooja.
Yeah. So this is right now that we are talking about is all e-commerce. But what happens when we go to
Babu,
a
we are talking about everything. Stores as well as e-commerce.
Yeah,
please cover both the things. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. So what happens when you visit online? Yeah. Sure. Sorry. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, go ahead, Pooja. No problem.
Thanks. Okay. So what happens when we go to the online services like e-commerce right now? It is in the it's like अभी सबसे ज़्यादा हवा बन चुका है. So what happens जब हम कोई भी product online लेने जाते हैं? So obviously, since Sania already mentioned कि we cannot touch the product, we cannot feel it. We can only see the product. क्योंकि picture में product बहुत ज़्यादा clear दिखता है. It looks bold, बड़ा सा, right? But what we receive will be a tiny, small piece, or maybe whatever we are purchasing online.
Yes.
So whatever we are ordering. So उसमें क्या होता है? आपने ऑनलाइन देख लिया है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू टच द प्रोडक्ट हाउ इट लुक्स, उसका क्वालिटी क्या है, कैसा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ये सारी पॉलिसीज क्रिएट की जाती है. इफ कस्टमर इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द प्रोडक्ट ड्यू टू एनी रीजन, सो दे कैन गेट इट एक्सचेंज. There will be restricted days or weeks that within that periphery you have to get the product exchanged. रिटर्न पॉलिसीज ऐसी होती हैं जहाँ पे लाइक रिप्लेसमेंट का पॉलिसी ऐसा होता है. देयर आर सर्टेन कंडीशंस दैट दे पुट.
Yeah. So मतलब it can't be returned.
Same thing happens with these retail stores also.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Just to add to this, ma'am.
Yeah.
So
who's this?
Put in 2 words. So these policies are being created just to build the customer trust. To put the customer to buy items from e-commerce.
Bang on.
Superb. Who is it?
Yeah. Seriously.
हाँ, sorry, Abhi.
Wow.
Varun Dikshit.
Varun.
Yeah, Varun, thank you so much. Yes, it is done to do customer trust only because वो जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स हम खरीदेंगे, मतलब अगर हमें एक कॉन्फिडेंस है कि वो एक्सचेंज हो सकता है, तो मैं बिना डरे खरीदूंगी, राइट? और अगर ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं है कि एक्सचेंज नहीं हो सकता है, आधे से आधे लोग खरीदेंगे ही नहीं, बिकॉज they are not sure, because they are buying from someone unknown, unaware. कहाँ से पैकेज हो रहा है, कहाँ से आ रहा है, किधर बन रहा है, no idea, no clue, but still we click on that buy button or add to cart or whatever we are paying somewhere कहाँ, just because we have that confidence. कुछ भी गड़बड़ हुआ, we can exchange. Yeah, go ahead. Hello. Anyone else who wants to add something?
Ma'am, Anurag, this side, I think this return and exchange policies, these are part of customer care post sales.
Yeah, definitely. It is. It is the part of customer service. Yes, that's why we are taking it. Okay. So just now we studied about, just now we were discussing about the customer exchange policy. So let's understand in deep the textual knowledge. So customer exchange policies are the rules a retailer creates to manage how the customers retain and exchange unwanted merchandise they purchase. So just like we discussed like how what happens like why we want to exchange, right? So unwanted या कुछ गलत आ गया जो उन्हें नहीं चाहिए था, फोटो में तो एकदम सुपर्ब लग रहा है और जैसे ही मैंने पहना तो एकदम नॉनसेंस, मतलब रियली, या फोटो में इतना अच्छा है जैसे ही मेरे पास आया तो टूटा हुआ आया. देखिए any reasons. So a written policy tells the customer what items can be returned and for what reasons and within what time frame they can be which the returns are accepted. Okay. So firstly, there are two parts. Firstly, it tells the policies tell that how they can return and exchange unwanted merchandise they purchase, right? Exchange कब करते जब हमें वो item नहीं चाहिए होता, right? And next part क्या है? It tells what items can be returned, for what reasons, and to what time frame it can be returned. Okay. So with that, we take up today's first because मैंने ये company इसलिए चुना Amazon because in the pandemic, a lot of people have been ordering through Amazon, right? Right, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So today we'll deeply study about Amazon ka return policy. Okay. After that, I want you to answer certain questions. So before we start, anyone wants to tell anything, or shall I go ahead?
No, ma'am, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. So Amazon exchange policy. So we all have done कभी ना कभी इस 2 साल में shopping किया ही होगा Amazon से because malls were shut, shops were closed. So कहाँ से दे? So Amazon जैसे अपनी दुकान sort of they have placed it and just to tell अगर किसी ने Amazon logo देखा है तो Amazon का logo अगर देखा है तो A to Z के बीच में arrow है. So every logo has a very deep meaning. So Amazon का meaning ये है A to Z मतलब A to Z हमारे पास सब कुछ है, मतलब it's a कहावत ना, A to Z मतलब सब कुछ. So with A to Z में name anything we have that. That's the reason Amazon का logo ऐसे बना है. So within anything we have, anything and everything in this world we have. So which is between A to Z. Okay, so they have wide range of products and they have very detailed return policy. So let's go one by one. Okay, so Amazon ka exact I have taken it. I have not done any changes to it because it's a policy. So most items purchased from sellers listed on Amazon.in are returnable within the return window. So हर एक product का return window लिखा होगा. Okay, except those that are explicitly identified as non-returnable. So most of the items are returnable. Okay? So it can be returned in only these 3 cases. Firstly, product should not be damaged by in your possession. मतलब आपके पास आने के बाद आपने तोड़ फोड़ दिया और फिर return करे नहीं. The product is not different from what it was shipped to be. Okay. So ऐसा नहीं कि उन्होंने आपको क्या बोलते हैं, उन्होंने ये पैंट भेजा और आप रिटर्न लेगिंग कर रहे हो. मतलब there are some people who think they can do it. So वो जो शिप हुआ है वही प्रोडक्ट रिटर्न होना चाहिए. The product is returned in original condition with the brand's manufacturer box, MRP tag intact, user manual, warranty card and the accessories. Okay, ऐसे नहीं कि रिटर्न कर रहे हो उसमें कुछ फ्री एक्सेसरी मिल गया वो रख दिया, नहीं. That's not that. So everything you have to return. Okay. So now, so for the products that are returned by the customer, the refund is issued. The original payment hota hai. So there are 2 parts in Amazon. Either you put in the Amazon wallet, मतलब अगली बार जब आप Amazon से buy करो Amazon Pay balance, तो आपको वो delivery पे उस पे off हो जाएगा. या hello, someone want to say something?
Some background noise. I think someone's mic is unmuted.
Okay, I request all of you to mute, please. We'll have ample time on asking questions. Yeah, all to be on mute till I complete this particular part. Thank you so much, my dear students. Yeah. So for the products that are returned by the customer, so either it can be two parts, okay? It directly goes to their Amazon pay balance, or most of the people want the original payment method. मतलब अगर उन्होंने पहले से ही पे किया है, so it should go to their internet banking or Google Pay or whatever. So however they have done, okay? And details, मतलब even when you do that, वो आता है within 72 hours, within 48 hours, within a week, or however big is the amount, your refund will be done within 10 to 12 working days, etc. So it will be shown, okay? So I repeat again. So the products which cannot be used or which गलती से ऑर्डर हो गया या गलत प्रोडक्ट आ गया है या whatever which is not of any use to me, I would like to return. So Amazon policy is what it thinks. So firstly, the product should not be damaged. Secondly, the product should be same what they have shipped. ऐसा नहीं कि अगर आप रिटर्न क्या बोल रहे हो, रिटर्न ये कुर्ता का आपने मंगाया शर्ट और रिटर्न कुर्ता कर रहे ऐसे नहीं. The product is returned in original condition with the brand, manufacturing, उसका जो भी label है, MRP tag है, user manual, everything, warranty card and accessories. Yeah. And next part was the refund, where either it will go to Amazon pay balance or it will be returned to your original listing. Okay. Now let's delve deeper about the Amazon return policy. Let's go deeper and understand. So products are returnable within the applicable return window if you receive them in a condition that is physically damaged. Okay. So first part. Okay. So here Amazon has beautifully told many scenarios where it can be returned and they will be happy to take its return without any problem. Okay. So so products are returnable within the applicable return window. अगर आपको कोई product मिला है जो physically damaged है. Okay. So for example, आपने कुछ इयरिंग मंगाया हो, उसमें स्टोन्स निकले हो, आपने कुछ बैंगल मंगाया हो, उसमें कुछ स्टोन्स निकले, आपने कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम मंगाया जिसमें वायर बेंड हुआ हो, टूटा हो या समथिंग, okay? So then you can easily exchange within that returnable period. Okay. So next, coming back to Pooja's problem. So if you report an issue with your smartphone, tablet, laptop, television, air conditioner, refrigerator, washing machine, microwave, what the Amazon will do, they will schedule a technician to visit your location. Okay. So since they are very expensive ones, direct return ki jagah, what they will do, they will send a technician to check. And the visit is scheduled how? By placing an order ki aisa mera kharab hua hai, so we'll check. So subject to Amazon and home service and condition, a resolution will be provided as per technician's evaluation report. Okay? So technician आएगा, he will check कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, आपके घर का प्रॉब्लम है या वो प्रोडक्ट की प्रॉब्लम है एंड एवरीथिंग. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, थर्ड पॉइंट इज return will be processed. Just now we discussed if the product was not damaged in your possession, product is not different, जो भेजा था वही return करें, and lastly it should be returned in original condition, MRP tag intact, user manual, accessories, warranty card, etc. Next, Amazon exchange policy. So in the event of so products may be eligible for replacement only if the same seller has the exact same item in stock. Okay. So for example, agar there are many times when you click on the replacement, okay, and they say that nahi, it can't be replaced because wo product khatam ho gaya. So then it can't be done, okay. And if the replacement request is placed and seller does not have the exact same product in stock, he will provide a refund. मतलब अगर आपने replacement भेजा है and अगर वो product नहीं हो सकता, for example, I ordered a shirt, okay, and I ordered a shirt of M size, and when I saw that M is not fitting, I want L for my husband. So I again go and replace. लेकिन unfortunately that lovely shirt है मतलब वहाँ पे उस seller के पास नहीं है. So instead what we'll do, he'll give me the refund. Then products purchased by international customers are not eligible for returns. Okay. So Amazon का ये Amazon.in, okay, that is India वाला Amazon का. So जो international customers जो खरीदते हैं मतलब इस particular website से, they can't return. But however, orders made by international customers are eligible for refund. So orders made and orders, these are two different things. Okay. एक परचेज, एक ऑर्डर्स मेड. अगर ऑर्डर्स आप मेड बाय इंटरनेशनल कस्टमर, दे आर एलिजिबल फॉर रिफंड. मतलब अगर मैं अमेरिका में बैठ के अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के लिए इंडिया में कुछ उसके फेवरेट पर्स या फेवरेट कुर्ता भेजूं, तो वो रिटर्न हो सकता है मेरी दोस्त, क्योंकि वो इंडिया में ही रहती है. बट अगर वही मैं अमेरिका में मैंने एक कुर्ता खरीदा मतलब amazon.in से, तो मैं वो कुर्ता इंडिया में वापस नहीं भेज सकती. Okay.
Yeah, it depends on the zip code. Like, is it Indian or is it outside India?
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
हेलो मैम. हेलो
Yeah. Hello.
मैम एक केस है मेरा.
हाँ बोलिए ना, प्लीज बोलिए.
मैम मैंने एक बार अमेजोन से एक ईयरफोन लिया, 6 महीने का वारंटी था.
ओके.
3 महीने तक चला, फिर मैंने वो खराब हो गया एक ईयरफोन का एक साइड, तो मैंने एक्सचेंज पे डाला.
ओके. सॉरी 6 महीने नहीं, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. 6 महीने का वारंटी था, उसके बाद नहीं सुनाई दिया. कैन यू रिपीट? हेलो.
1 साल का वारंटी था, 3 महीने चला ना, तो
सॉरी 1 साल का
वारंटी था.
ओके.
3 महीने जब चला तो एक साइड का खराब हो गया.
ओके. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो मैंने चेक मतलब एक्सचेंज के लिए डाला, तो वो जो बिल मिला वो सबमिट किया, तो बस अमेजोन बोल रहा है कि ये गलत है, इससे नहीं होगा.
Because that 1 year warranty is from manufacturer warranty. Amazon gives you 10 days to return the product. Amazon does not provide you warranty. It's a 10-day return window just to build the trust. Warranty is provided by the manufacturer. If it's a boat or maybe, then you have to contact their customer service.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you are right.
Lovely. Who's this?
Thank you, bro.
Yes, you are right. I have the same scenario like that.
Please do
Yeah,
share.
so I'm
Who answered this warranty part? Who's this? Varun again?
Varun Dikshit. Yeah, ma'am. So,
Varun, lovely. Yeah, really very nice. Very informative. Please go ahead. Yeah, the same scenario person, please tell. Hello. कोई और कहानी बोल रहा था ना? Hello.
Same scenario.
अच्छा, same the earphone scenario only. Okay. So मतलब Varun is saying अगर I buy a bot का headphone, तो मतलब and in 3 months में मेरा वो left और right का तो हमेशा ही होता है, चाहे मैं 1000 का खरीदूं या 150 का खरीदूं. So after that I need to go to boat. You are trying to say, right, Varun?
Yes, no.
Yes.
Rather than going to Amazon.
Boat is very good.
हाँ, boat is very good. Just like example.
Boat service is very commendable.
Okay. नहीं, बोट का मैंने हाल ही में खरीदा था, तो इसके लिए बोट ही आया.
So, Varun again this side. I'm speaking with my personal experience. I used to work with Amazon as customer service associate.
Oh, great! Yeah, that's so awesome. Please do tell. Okay, that's very nice. Okay.
Yeah. So with the gadgets and all these products, the warranty is provided by the manufacturer, and Amazon is just the trader. So they only provide you some return window, which is a courtesy, because if you purchase the lead from an offline store, they will not provide you a return window. But since e-commerce is new in India, to build the trust, they provide you a return window as a courtesy. And also the return policies are designed based on the demographics. So if you look at Amazon was launched in 2013, and they had this return policy based on European demographics or American demographics, where the customer can contact customer service and say that the product is not delivered to me, but your website is saying it is delivered. So Amazon will ask you no question and provide you full refund. But in India, in couple of years, they observed an abuse that a lot of customers are abusing this policy, even though product is delivered. But again, they are just calling the customer service to get the money back. It's a case study in their Amazon in India. So the return policies are also designed based on the demographics. That's I just wanted to add up to.
Thank you so much, Varun. It is so great to have you. Thank you so much for giving such a valuable information. Really, thank you for sharing.
No wonder Varun gave the earlier reply also.
Yeah,
Wow,
the
Varun.
trust one. Yeah, seriously, very nice.
Thanks, Varun.
Yeah. So Varun, thank you so much for sharing.
Good one, Varun.
So we all got to learn something. So again, warranty है तो कुछ है तो warranty is written, so that is not Amazon's problem or Amazon ka this thing. We need to go to the manufacturing person and say that we have bought such a thing and this is under warranty, please repair it. Okay, thank you, Varun. So with that, we have delved depth into the Amazon exchange policy. So now I have a question for all of you. Is the policy customer friendly and why? Let's shoot the answers one by one. तो हमने डीप में देखा. डू यू वांट मी टू अगेन टेल द पॉलिसी
Ma'am,
अगेन?
please repeat it again.
हाँ, क्वेश्चन रिपीट करूं. So अभी जो हमने पॉलिसी पूरा
Yes, ma'am.
do you want me to take you again through the entire policy or can I or we can go ahead?
Can go ahead, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
please repeat the question.
What do you want me to repeat, dear?
He's asking a question, I believe.
Yeah, I'm asking
Your
the
question.
question. The Amazon exchange policy अभी हमने पढ़ा, right? अभी ये देखो products में भी eligible ये सब जो पढ़ा that is most items ये 3 parts जो है उसका next how मतलब अगर क्या बोलते हैं जो digital electronic products है तो वहाँ पे technician भेजेंगे. Then return window के अंदर होना चाहिए. Damaged है तो you can return. So return will be processed in 3 conditions. Product should not be damaged in your position. Product should not be different from what is shipped, and lastly, it should be intact, MRP and everything. So then it should be only eligible for replacement if the same seller has the exact same. मतलब अगर वो replacement अगर हमने replacement मांगा and that manufacturer doesn't have that product, it can be refunded. And all these things which we studied, right? The products, international customers are not eligible for returns, but orders made by international customers are eligible for refunds. So all the things they've told so अच्छे से elaborately. Now my question to you is the policy customer friendly? Amazon exchange policy.
Yes, ma'am, it is customer friendly.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
it
can
is
you
disturbing. Your
tell?
voice is not audible.
Okay, I request
Yes,
everyone to
ma'am.
mute. Guys, I request all of you to mute. I think कोई तो mute पे नहीं है and I can't.
Karthik Datta, your mic is on.
This is Karthik. Yeah.
Karthik.
Please mute. Thank you. So my question, now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Okay. So Amazon exchange policy, we just delved deep into what all we saw, right? Now my question to all of you is that, is the policy customer friendly? And if you think it's customer friendly, can you tell me why? I repeat my question again. Just now we saw the Amazon exchange or return policy in depth. I want to ask you, आपके हिसाब से, आपके नजरिए से क्या ये पॉलिसी कस्टमर फ्रेंडली है? एंड अगर है तो क्यों है? एंड अगर नहीं है तो क्यों है? Okay, let's shoot.
Ma'am, hi, ma'am. Girish this side.
Yeah, Girish, please tell.
Ma'am, I think this policy is customer friendly, so customer friendly that, as Varun said, many people misuse these policies. So
Okay.
one of my friend just ordered a trimmer from Philips
Okay.
from Amazon through Amazon,
Okay.
and he just used trimmer for 4 or 5 days. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा यूज किया, हद से ज़्यादा यूज किया.
Okay.
And then according to their policy, he just returned that trimmer and ordered a new one.
Okay. Then
So
Varun noted that.
no, so matlab these policies are so friendly that people misuse them.
okay. Varun is noting it. Okay, ठीक है. हाँ. Okay. So Amazon is very sweet that मतलब इंडिया में कोई फूल बना भी रहा है तो वो फूल बन भी रहा है. Okay. Okay, next. One more thing happened. I was studying मतलब in north region or somewhere मतलब ऊपर के तरफ, I don't know which state or which city. तो वहाँ के लोग ना इतने मतलब पहले कभी इंडिया में ये एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी इतना था नहीं, मतलब लाइक, तो वहाँ के लोग क्या करते थे, बहुत सारा ऑर्डर करते थे और जैसे ही वो आता था ट्राई करके रिटर्न करते थे, ऑर्डर करते थे रिटर्न करते थे, ऑर्डर करते थे रिटर्न करते थे. इस केस में भी अमेजोन को थोड़ा ये करना पड़ा था कि मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, in that case also they had modified something. There was a case in the newspaper itself, like these people used to order so many items and तुरंत ही मतलब जैसे ही वो बंदा आया पहन के देखा रिटर्न किया. तो इसमें भी ऐसा हुआ था कि लोग मतलब इतना मिसयूज करने लगे थे वो एक्सचेंज और रिटर्न पॉलिसी.
Yes,
So
ma'am. Like, I have a story.
accordingly,
Can I tell?
yeah, you know the story. Yeah, please tell. Please tell.
Yeah, one of my friend had ordered a shoe from Amazon or Flipkart. I don't remember.
Okay.
He has a party to attend or marriage to attend, his brother's marriage. So he attended that marriage. It was 5 to 6 days long. He wore it, and after wearing, the inner sole of the shoe was like not that good quality. So it tore off and something. It was uncomfortable wearing after 5 days. So he he had the 7 days return policy and he placed it.
Okay.
And luckily the pickup delivery guy came. He checked the shoe. Like he cleaned it off the shoes, and the guy picked it up and he was refunded within 2 working days.
Okay, मतलब उसने पहनते ही वो सोल खराब हो गया था, मतलब कैसे
लाइक
वो
उसने पहना और 5 दिन बाद ना इनर सोल जो होता है ना वो घिस गया या पता नहीं क्या हुआ और वो बाद में उसको चुभने लगा था.
अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके.
तो उसके बाद उसने फिर रिफंड के लिए पॉलिसी के लिए ऑर्डर प्लेस किया और फिर जो लोग पिक करने आते हैं ना अमेज़न के साइड से
या
वो आए. उसने जूता क्लीन कर दिया था, लाइक मतलब फुल सोल में क्लीन एंड एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक इट वाज न्यू.
Okay,
So he checked that and he was like, okay, I will take it and you will get your refund in 2 days.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Yeah, तो उसने 7 दिन एक जूता पहन के और वापस भी किया और पैसे भी वापस मिल गए.
नहीं, the thing is that but उसका सोल खराब हो गया था, right?
हाँ मैम, yes, it was a genuine issue. It was genuine issue.
This is the manufacturing default.
Yeah, actually, even I was also thinking manufacturing.
Ma'am, this is the manufacturing.
Yeah, right. Manufacturing default.
Can I share my views here, ma'am?
Yeah, please go ahead, please.
Yes, Varun.
So, ma'am, the question is
this
policy
Varun?
customer? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Varun, please go
Varun.
ahead.
Okay.
So the question is policy customer friendly, right? So
Yeah.
speaking with my experience, so Amazon is the middleman here, right? So customer for Amazon, customer is also us and also the sellers who are selling on Amazon, right?
Lovely,
So there are
very nice. Yes, the sellers जो जिनके साथ इन्होंने इतने सारे tie up किया है, right? इतने सारे
Exactly.
brands हैं जो
The
local brands भी हैं.
distributors.
The distributor, the suppliers, everyone. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. The
Amazon-
middleman, you can say Amazon is a middle person
Yeah.
exactly.
who is providing you the products
All of the online
from one
portal is
manufacturer
a
to the
mediator,
customer.
not a direct
Amazon
seller.
is connecting
Yes.
customer to the seller.
Yes. Correct, guys. Thank
Lovely,
you, guys.
bingo, Arun. I think you should take this session.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
yeah,
let me
Varun.
complete here.
Go ahead.
So 2 things I want to point out here. So as we all know, Amazon is a MNC, America's company. So
Okay.
Amazon is really customer-centric company, but with any company there is room to improve with customer service, right? So I feel there are 2 points that Amazon is currently working on. One,
Okay, that
the
was my
guy
next
shared
question, Varun. Improvement क्या है करके? But ठीक है, you tell. कोई बात नहीं.
Yeah. So one thing, guy just shared the story that he purchased an earphone, and he wrote in the description it was mentioned that the 1 year warranty is there, but Amazon does not advertise enough to educate their customer that 1 year warranty is manufacturing warranty, not Amazon's warranty.
Yeah,
So
lovely. Okay.
if I am not here to explain you this, like Amazon is not providing a warranty, what you will think that Amazon is a negative company, right? Because they are saying we'll provide you 1 year warranty, and then they are saying no sir, this is not 1 year. So they should advertise to make it more friendly. And second point is to improve the friendliness on the seller's side. So how customer is abusing their policies, like using the trimmer and then returning it back to Amazon. They should advance their investigation system to make sure that they are not accepting used items. So they are not unintentionally harming the sellers who are actually Indians.
To answer this one question, I told you ना Delhi नहीं पता नहीं कोई तो north कोई तो state में ऐसा हुआ था. तो what they did is that तो पहले एकदम open था ये, मतलब जो भी return कर रहा है, exchange कर रहा है, करते गए. But then they put data analytics at place and they saw that in particular state, एक particular गली में ये सारे लोग रिटर्न किए ही जा रहे, एक बार लिया, 2 बार लिया. Then they made it strict that you can return only उस particular state में कुछ या उस particular जगह पे ही कुछ changes हुआ था कि they did अगर ये बंदा बार बार return कर रहा है तो they do question what is the problem getting it मतलब इतना डेटा एनालिटिक्स लगाया कि यहाँ पे ऐसे कैसे कि हर बार रिटर्न हो रहा है या 10 प्रोडक्ट लिया और 10 में से 9 प्रोडक्ट्स रिटर्न करे व्हाट इज इट गोइंग सो दे हैड मॉडिफाइड फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन आई हैड स्टडीड
Yeah, that's right, ma'am. So in Hindi there is a some कहावत I guess, जहरीली मछली पूरा तालाब गंदा करती है sort of. So when Amazon came to India, so if the phone is not delivered to you, your case is honest, so you will get the full refund. But nowadays, if phone is not delivered to you and you are honest right now, right, you're innocent. If you're contacting customer service, what they will tell you, just file the FIR. We cannot do anything because of the abuse that is done by some bad actors, from India.
Okay.
See, even Varun and Bhumika ma'am, actually I also work in Tata only. So what happens, there are certain products, but what happens, customer ask it, they purchase the product online, and what happens, when they receive the product, because of some reason, what they say, कि भाई ये पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, आप एक काम करो, आप मुझे मेरे रिफंड दे दो. तो उसमें क्या होता है, even I am into jewelry section. I know how it feels when you are giving the product, and we have got a service where go to their residence. We have a separate team that's called Trial at Home. So what they go to their houses and they provide the original ornaments we are taking to the house, and हम जब provide करते तो what happens, कभी-कभी customer shuts their door and they take the jewelry, so it's not 2,000, 3,000 or 10,000, it's like lakhs. In lakhs we will sell the product. उसमें अगर if we are facing these kind of problems, so हमारे लिए it's a tragic thing that happens. And इसमें क्या होता है, yes, it is very abusive that the customers, they are banging door in front of us, in front of our face, and they're not even giving the money back, they are taking the product and they are like, किसने देखा है, who knows that you came to my house and you gave the jewelry to us.
Sure.
So
robbery type, no?
For us it's like a tragic thing that we had faced earlier, but
that
luckily
reminds me of one
all
of the
products are
sorry to interrupt, that one of the rubbish thing happened na, wo Zomato person, that influencer girl,
हाँ जी,
just क्या आधा plate fried rice के लिए वो she just that was a very classic thing, that was just to उसने अपने media influence को इतना गलत way में use किया, वो बंदे का job गया, उस पे case हुआ, so just one plate fried rice, what did she get by, that is inhuman, that is nonsense. So with that,
this happens. The online services that we provide, actually we face a lot of issues. There are certain clients that they provide, that you take the car, we can drop them. So there are positive customers also that we have, but there are many negative customers that we get, that they are so arrogant, and I don't know what frustration they have, that they just want to हमारे ऊपर निकालनी है उनको. It's like for customers, we the providers are like a puppet. This is what they feel, that we are not a human. We are like a slave to them. This is what they feel. Because I am the person who have faced this, we are facing these issues daily. I mean, my all team comes, madam, ये चीज हो रही है.
How to improve? कैसे the लोग, and even Varun said one thing about
improvements में तो एक ही चीज हो सकती है, ma'am. See, what we Tata feel is that everybody who is standing in front of us is a god, because he is giving money for certain product. Exactly. ठीक है, customer भगवान होता है, so we have to treat them in that way. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि कभी कभी अनड्यू एडवांटेज होती है उसकी, जैसे मी एज अ कस्टमर, हाँ ठीक है भाई, टाटा है तो क्या हुआ, कुछ भी कर लेगा क्या, इतना सब लोग इमोशनल दिखाते हैं, इट इज नॉट. बट ट्रूली टाटा, अगर आप कहीं पे भी जाओगे, कोई एक सर्विस स्टोर में, आप कोई भी स्टोर में जाते हो, देयर यू सी द सर्विस, द काइंड ऑफ सर्विस the people provide there, that they are standing. So इसमें अभी बदलाव यही आ सकता है कि हम अपनी चीजों से बाज नहीं आएंगे, हम अपनी चीजें करेंगे. My motto is to provide the best service that we can.
Yeah.
I would like
Right.
to add on to
Customers
this.
का ये this will remain as it
Ma'am,
is, I
can we go
believe.
forward with the class?
Yes,
It is
Varun.
Yeah,
it is
Varun,
also
please go ahead.
Sumit here.
Yeah,
It is
Sumit.
also
Sorry.
because it's also a tactics used by the customer to get something out of the company in terms of replacement or in terms of any kind of other benefits or compensation. It's a tactic, a psychological tactic which the customer also plays to get something in return or get the product settled by means any means. I've been into tire industry. I've been getting claims of tires.
सुमित
The
ऐसे
customer also
कस्टमर्स को
knows.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Basically, ऐसे
कस्टमर
कस्टमर को
सर्विस
पहले
चैप्टर्स नहीं उनका नाम क्या है?
एक्नॉलेज करते
Anyone?
हैं.
Name of the customer?
Datators.
Sorry?
So,
Datators.
so here we can go into technical aspects and explain them with lot many of examples. And when the example matches with the cause of fault with the product in their case, then they means they realize and then they acknowledge and then they ask for okay. तो तब हम ये बोल सकते हैं साहब देखो ये टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट है, ऐसा होता ही नहीं है, ये एग्जांपल्स है, आपका ये हुआ है टेक्निकली ऐसा है. तब वो बोलते देखो ना सर कुछ तो करो. देन वी जस्ट अब उसके बाद हमारा बारी रहता है ये बताने का कि साहब आप आराम से अगर बात करोगे तो हम थोड़ा बहुत कुछ देख सकते हैं, बट अगर आप ऐसे करोगे देन वी कैन डिस्कस इन द कोर्ट आल्सो. पूरा टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट बताने के बाद जब कस्टमर खुद ही एक्नॉलेज करता है हाँ मेरे से ये गलती हुई.
Okay. Yeah, that's completely right. We can explain them. What I was trying to, मतलब what I was thinking when हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, मतलब जैसे वरुण ने कहा एक मछली पूरे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. So actually अभी के लिए मतलब अभी since pandemic हुआ and also there has been a lovely customer policy. सब लोगों ने बहुत ये किया. But when people are misusing it, then again obviously it will create havoc. मतलब कितना इवन कंपनीज भी ये करेगी ना, दे विल आल्सो बिकम स्मार्टर. ठीक है, आज एक यूज ट्रिमर चला गया है, अगली बार ऐसा नहीं होगा. मतलब दे विल बी सेट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच दे कैन चेक एंड डू इट. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू एज अ पर्सन. सो हम लोग इस फ्रेटर्निटी में है, हम लोग रिटेल में है. So जैसे मैंने मतलब जैसे एक story I would like to say. I don't know how much you can connect with that. So then we proceed further. So once upon a time, I don't know, my students who have received my earlier lectures, they might have listened to the story, but I again repeat the story. So once upon a time, एक sea-wave पे एक बंदा कुछ अजीब सी हरकत कर रहा था. So one of the person who was going on that beach, he saw what this person is doing. He was laughing. Are you mad? Are you mad? So then he goes near and sees that कि hundreds of thousands of जो स्टारफिश है ना, मतलब वो बाहर आ गया था सी वेव से. और अगर वो स्टारफिश को सी में समंदर में वापस नहीं फेंका गया तो वो मर जाएगा. तो दिस पर्सन हु वाज डूइंग अजीब से हरकतें, वो ये कर रहा था कि वो हर एक स्टारफिश को उठा के फेंक रहा था. तो ये जो बंदा आया और वो उसने देखा that the X person is doing such a thing. He's like, are you mad? There are thousands and crores of fishes. किसकी जान बचाओगे? So this person says, I don't know, sir, if I'll be able to save all these 1,000 starfish around me. But he took one starfish and threw it in the sea and told that at least I made a difference to this one. So again, coming back to this thing, we don't know if we can influence the entire world to be good, do good or not. But at least हम जहाँ है, okay, we being responsible citizens, we और हम लोग के जो आजू बाजू के environment है, our friends, our relatives, जिनको भी हम influence कर सकते हैं. If we tell कि जो भी product है, supplier है, एक पर्सन का रिटर्न एक्सचेंज जो भी है, एक जब भी कोई प्रोडक्ट रिटर्न जाता है वो सप्लायर को कितना नुकसान है. मतलब देयर सच सो मेनी थिंग्स. हमारे लिए रिटर्न करना कितना आसान है, बट अगर हम वो रिटर्न पॉलिसी को अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया जाए एंड टेल देम, एंड इवन इफ वी बीइंग एट दैट प्लेस, इफ वी ट्राई टू एजुकेट हाउ इट हैपेंस, हाउ मच things are going for you, it may be return, but only return if needed. अगर नहीं चाहिए तो ऐसे ही मत लो या something like that. If we can try, and अगर हम एक starfish, अगर हम पूरे starfishes को नहीं बचा सकते, but एक इंसान को भी किया, so just imagine at least there will be a reduce, मतलब number of returns थोड़े तो कम होंगे. At least in our zone, our this thing where we can make a difference. अब ये नहीं पता कि हम बोलेंगे तो लोग सुनेंगे या नहीं, उसका पता नहीं. जैसे कि वो बंदा जो वो स्टारफिश फेंक रहा था, हो सकता है ये बंदे ने वापस मतलब देन दिस पर्सन आल्सो स्टार्ट्स थ्रोइंग द फिशेस बिकॉज़ ही वाज सो इम्प्रेस्ड बाय व्हाट ही सेड। ये भी हो सकता था ये बंदा बोला या कुछ भी बोल रहा है, कुछ भी बोल रहा है, यहाँ पे करोड़ों बचा है तो एक फेंकने से क्या होगा, चलो चलते हैं, ऐसे भी हो सकता है। बट वी कैन ट्राई एट लेवल बेस्ट, वी बीइंग फ्रॉम दिस इंडस्ट्री, वी कैन एक्सप्लेन एंड एटलीस्ट हमारे जोन में, हमारे परव्यू में अगर हम बोल पाए तो एटलीस्ट वी में एटलीस्ट रिड्यूस। एंड कैसे बोलते हैं जैसे वो जय हो मूवी में 3 से 3 से 3 से 3 से 3, तो ऐसे ही अगर वो चेन बन जाए तो maybe some people will realize their mistake and not do such a mistake. Otherwise, yeah.
Another add-on to this.
Yeah.
I would like to add on to this. एक और चीज बहुत commonly observe की गई है कि the customer service executive वो सिर्फ complaints लेने के लिए होता है. Hardly companies are giving them some little bit of technical knowledge कि वो 2-4 अगर probe करके questions कुछ पूछे, customer थोड़ा बहुत console भी होता है. But usually क्या होता है, customer पूरा अपना means gets heated upon that customer service executive and उसके बाद उसको कुछ बोलने को नहीं होता है सिवाय इसके कि our engineer will get back to you. तो सारा गुस्सा तो आधा तो वो झेल चुका होता है, मतलब पूरा गुस्सा तो मैक्सिमम टाइम वही झेला होता है एंड कस्टमर अपना पूरा गुस्सा नहीं, अगर थोड़ा बहुत प्रोबिंग टेक्निक से, हाँ प्रोबिंग टेक्निक से थोड़ा बहुत टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट के अवेयरनेस की वजह से अगर उस कंपनी उसको उस एग्जीक्यूटिव को अगर थोड़ा बहुत भी टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग देना, थोड़ी बहुत प्रोबिंग से कस्टमर को काफी हद तक कंसोल किया जा सकता है. बट बिकॉज शायद उसको भी उतना नॉलेज नहीं होता है, कस्टमर देखता है कि हाँ इसको तो कुछ मालूम ही नहीं है, अभी पूरा भड़क जाओ, बरस जाओ पूरे इसके ऊपर ही. ये भी काफी हद तक ऑब्जर्व किया गया है, तो ये थोड़ा बहुत ट्रेनिंग्स की वजह से. अच्छा, मैं थोड़ा एक मेरा क्वेरी भी है, ये बहुत सारे डिफॉल्टर कस्टमर जो जानबूझ के करते हैं प्रोडक्ट रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए बार बार लेके आते हैं यूज करके, कुछ जेन्युइन चीजें भी हैं, जैसे मान लो डेकेथलॉन ने 1 साल का वारंटी दे दिया शूज पे, शूज जेन्युइनली खराब हुआ है, देन वो रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. 2 बार खराब हुआ 2 बार रिप्लेस कर देते हैं, है ना. बट 1 साल की वारंटी वो डेट ऑफ सेल से ही पकड़ते हैं. अब किसी कस्टमर का प्रोडक्ट जेन्युइनली खराब हो रहा है और जेन्युइन खराब होने की वजह से आप रिप्लेस कर रहे हो, देन उस कस्टमर का भी क्या कि जो 1 साल के बाद वो 5 अपना आधा तो टाइम वो प्रोडक्ट यूज नहीं कर पाता बिकॉज रिप्लेसमेंट और ये सब में बीच बीच में प्रोडक्ट गायब रहता है या अनयूज पड़ा रहता है और वारंटी पीरियड 1 साल खत्म हो जाता है. ऐसे चीजों के लिए जो आप लोगों में एक्सपर्ट्स हैं जो वारंटीज ही देखते हैं और ये देखते हैं, मुझे थोड़ा सा गाइड करिए कि ऐसी चीजों में कस्टमर कंपनीज को, ये कंपनीज कितना सीरियसली लेती है इस प्रोडक्ट के फॉल्टी होने को.
बट अगेन ये जो वारंटी वाला पार्ट था, जस्ट एज वरुण सेड, दैट इज वो मैन्युफैक्चर पे डिपेंडेंट है ना, वो मेरे साइट पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. तो इफ आई गो टू द जो भी ब्रांड का मैंने लिया है अलोंग विद द वारंटी, जो भी मेरे पास जो भी वारंटी टैग आया है, जो भी मेरे पास पेपर है, जो भी है, अगर मैं वहां जाके पूछूं तो दे शुड बी एबल टू एडवाइस मी.
अब डेकेथलॉन के मैन्युफैक्चरर जो भी हैं वो यहाँ पे कहाँ अवेलेबल है?
Yeah. So what he's saying, I mean, if I understand his question correctly, because I am working as a trainer with the BPO industry as well.
Oh, okay.
So Decathlon has its own app and they produce their own products.
Okay.
So if it's Decathlon, definitely the customer can go back to Decathlon. So one thing which I believe is that every company will definitely produce the best product that they have if they are producing it, or even if it's a third party like Amazon, they will try to keep the best product for sale so that their name does not get spoiled. As far as the return policies are concerned, as somebody just mentioned, ki 1 saal ka hota hai, but it is considered right from the date of sales and not from the return date. So we need to understand that this return policy is a service. It's not a customer's right.
Okay.
So
okay.
It is
very beautiful.
From it's my point of view, it is decided by the company. If company wishes that, okay, I don't want to give a return policy, it's not customer's right कि मुझे return policy चाहिए या Indian Constitution में लिखा है कि इंडिया में return policy मिलना चाहिए. It's not like that. It's a company's service that they are giving कि 1 साल में अगर आपका कुछ होगा issue तो we will return it.
Okay.
So it needs to be treated that way. Also, I was just going through one of the studies and some numbers. Almost 35 to 40% of the products which are sold in these online Amazon or e-sales, they are
Okay.
returned. That
Yeah.
means they are either the products which are damaged or products which customer does not like, or maybe we find people like those who have used it, maybe very less in numbers, but then people those who have used it and then again trying to get something better out of those companies. So definitely there will be case studies which will keep on coming, because
Yeah.
if we stop one way, someone else will come up with some other creative ideas.
Yeah.
So that will keep on happening, but then yeah, so this is something which we need to we need to keep on improvising and keep on working. And as far as customer industry is concerned, I believe uh, customer service agents are definitely trained very well, but the problem is that if you are
Customers
looking at
सुनते नहीं.
from a नहीं, अगर आप कस्टमर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखोगे तो आप उसके लिए फर्स्ट कस्टमर हो,
Right.
लेकिन वो बंदा दिन में 300 कॉल हैंडल कर रहा है, राइट?
हाँ.
तो अगर आपको 200 लोगों ने गालियां दी हैं और आप 201 वाले बंदे हो, बिकॉज कस्टमर केयर इज समथिंग, आपको हमेशा डिससेटिस्फाइड कस्टमर ही मिलेंगे, सेटिस्फाइड कस्टमर कभी आपको कॉल करेगा नहीं.
Okay.
It's like a police job, right? So you will always find criminals, you won't find good people.
Okay.
So obviously जो बंदा 8 घंटे से काम कर रहा है, 8 घंटे से वो केवल इश्यूज सुन रहा है, it is obvious that he will also get maybe irritated, and he will get tired, and he might not give that well, because that's what I have observed, and I think people those who are in this industry, they can relate to it, कि when we start our shift, उस
Yes,
समय
you have
सर्विस
done
बहुत
very well
अच्छी
this
होती है,
thing.
but towards the end of the day सर्विस थोड़ा सा डाउन हो जाता है.
मतलब इतनी
Obviously
सारी
people get
negativity
tired.
सुन के और
Exactly,
इतना सब ये
exactly. So that
करके, you are
happens.
also human, right? One.
Exactly. So
Can I add
that happens.
some views here?
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Who's this?
Varun ma'am.
Yeah, Varun. Please tell.
So as my colleague is saying that maybe the customer service associate is tired or is fed up with all the customers hearing queries and all whole day. So with Amazon, the Jeff's mindset is like this: if you want to provide a great customer service, you have to be the best employer as well. So if you are thinking of a great customer service, you cannot ask your employees to handle 200 calls and give them no authority, even if the customer is abusing them. So with Amazon, no one can abuse you. You can just disconnect the call if they are abusing you, right?
Okay.
Exactly.
Second thing is this, that you are supposed to handle less than 50 calls a day, and on top of it, you get fun activities every single day. So like if you are sitting at your desk, you have basketball court right in front of you, you have table tennis, just take your break and refresh your mind. So what he says, there is no work life balance. What Jeff Bezos says,
Varun,
there
thank
is
you
no
so much for sharing these wonderful things. These things I also didn't know. Like, मतलब अगर 10 कॉल के बाद मैं अपसेट हूँ या कुछ, तो मैं जाके कुछ खेल के या कुछ चिट चैट करके वापस आके बैठ सकती हूँ, so that I'm again in fresh mode after a bad call. Okay.
Exactly.
But
That's
again,
how you
this
will
is something which happens in very rare companies, as Varun is mentioning. The companies which actually place their employees first and try to maintain that. So definitely, that's a very good thing, and that should happen. But not all companies follow this, because I've seen a couple of companies not following that at all. I mean, the only thing that they care about the productivity and the number of cases that a person is handling.
And for them,
that
अगर
actually
basketball
definitely
खेला तो time waste होगा ना, अगर कुछ
टाइम वेस्ट
ये
होगा,
किया
एंड
तो
फिर
time
आपको
waste होगा.
टीएम आके बोलेगा कि नंबर्स कहाँ है करके. सो दैट
और तुम खेलते ही रहोगे, कॉल कौन अटेंड करेगा? अच्छा, बास्केटबॉल खेलने के पैसे मिलते हैं. No wonder Amazon is one of the great places to work. Okay. Okay, so moving ahead, one more. So these were the suggestions. Was the next question, and ये कुछ मेरे तरफ से है, and you people can also add on. And then I had also searched in internet कि overall e-commerce का कैसे हम improve कर सकते हैं. So we'll just go through it फटाफट. So it happened with me. All 3 cases मेरे खुद के हैं. That's why मैंने डाला, ऐसा नहीं कि हवे में suggestion दिया. So what had happened is that मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया था, कुर्ता एंड सम दिस थिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड गलती से मेरे भाई ने भी मेरा अकाउंट यूज किया था, एंड दैट गॉट ऑर्डर्ड इन हिज हॉस्टल, एंड ही लेफ्ट हिज हॉस्टल 3 months बैक. So Amazon में एक चीज है, you can't change the location, right Varun?
If the order is placed if it is shipped out of the inventory, then you cannot change the address of the
I don't know, तुरंत मैंने place किया and तुरंत ही ship हुआ. I don't know what was that miracle, but it went to my brother's hostel. And
yeah, so maybe
no one
that
was there. कोई आजू बाजू को भी pick up करने के लिए कोई नहीं था उधर. So I literally tried कहाँ call करूँ, क्या करूँ, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. और order 3-4 items थे, मतलब वहां जाएगा, मतलब it is waste, मतलब कौन ये करेगा. And ऊपर से it was not allowing me to cancel also. So with great difficulty after 1.5 hours I could find some number or call किया and कुछ तो करके, and that person assured me. Till that time my husband was shouting only, you don't see the location, you don't see this करके चल ही रहा था. 3-4 items मैंने सट ऐसे मंगा दिया था, and तीनों वहाँ पे यहाँ पे गया था. And finally I called him and he said that no matter ma'am, when it comes to delivery के time है, that time you can cancel, but there is no way you can change the location. So that time what I realized, it was very difficult for me to reach the customer sales representative through contact. Okay, भले मतलब I wanted to speak to someone so that कोई मुझे surety दे सके. ठीक है. दूसरा ये था, अभी रिसेंटली आई हैव अ OnePlus वाला फोन, तो वो एक अजीबो-गरीब फोन है जिसमें हेडफोन्स डायरेक्टली नहीं डाल सकते. ठीक है. हेडफोन्स के लिए एक ये टाइप 3C जैक कुछ चाहिए, उसमें एक अजीब ही था, मुझे पता नहीं था लेने से पहले ऐसा कुछ था. तो इट वाज अ गिफ्ट एक्चुअली. सो फिर उसके लिए ना यू नीड अ टाइप 3C या 3 जैक कन्वर्टर.
टाइप सी.
हाँ, टाइप सी. So उसमें I ordered and so what I wanted, इसमें कैसे होता है, अगर फोन चार्ज होता है तो मैं हेडफोन नहीं डाल सकती, और अगर हेडफोन डाला है तो फोन चार्ज नहीं हो सकता. So I was searching something और मुझे दोनों चीज चाहिए था, कि चार्ज भी हो ऐसा कोई कन्वर्टर. तो पहले मुझे सही आइटम मिला, फिर मेरा ध्यान भटका, कॉल आया, कुछ ऑफिस का काम कर रही थी, फिर और ढूंढ रही थी, कुछ तो ऑर्डर प्लेस किया, एंड आई डिड नॉट सी, मतलब वहां पे रिप्लेसमेंट लिखा था, तो मुझे रिटर्न नहीं लिखा था. मैंने कहा चल लेट्स एक्सपेरिमेंट, अगर गलत हो गया तो आई कैन रिटर्न एंड बाय द परफेक्ट प्रोडक्ट करके, ऐसे सोचा था मैंने. सो आई डिडंट सी रिप्लेसमेंट वर्ड लिखा था. सो एंड व्हेन आई ऑर्डर्ड एंड गॉट इट, वो अगेन मुझे वो कन्वर्टर ही मिला, मतलब आई कैन जस्ट पुट अ हेडफोन, आई कांट चार्ज इट. अभी फाइनली मैंने बहुत ढूंढ के 10 लोगों को दिखा के सही आइटम ये किया, एंड मैंने क्लिक ऑन रिप्लेसमेंट, ओके, और रिटर्न या रिप्लेसमेंट या जो भी है, वापस सेम ही प्रोडक्ट मुझे डिलीवर हो. So that time I realized that अगर ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट है, what Amazon people can do, so when I'm clicking on add to buy button, just my suggestion, if I'm wrong or right I don't know, so that time you can just put a warning, this can't be returned. मतलब at least I'll be cautious enough, अगर मैं कुछ ऐसे experimentation पे मंगा रही हूँ या मुझे पता नहीं है, I'm not a person with so much technical knowledge, ये गलत हो गया तो रिटर्न नहीं होगा. Luckily वो इतना कॉस्टली आइटम नहीं था, so they can put a warning signal. Okay. And third thing what happened, ये rarity था, एक ही बार ऐसा कुछ हुआ था कि एक बार एक आइटम टैग के बिना मिला था, and we didn't want that item, we had to return it because it was मेरे सासू माँ को साइज नहीं था, मतलब वैसे भले ही वो एल या जो भी था, बट उनको वो बिल्कुल ही फिट नहीं हो रहा था, तो we had to return. So we wanted one more size and one more size was not available. So but what these people said that ये tag नहीं है, you have to speak to customer sales executive, and we called them, मतलब बहुत time लगा reach करने के लिए, and finally they resolved it, nothing like that. But the only thing is that the थोड़ा process delay हो गया. So these were my few suggestions. If you want to add on, please go ahead. And after that we take one more company and then yeah.
Ma'am, here is Habis.
Yeah. Please tell.
मैम, मैं अपने एक फ्रेंड का व्यू शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, वो फ्लिपकार्ट में कस्टमर सर्विस में काम करता है. तो हाँ, तो वहाँ से उसको, मतलब वो दिन भर यही काम करना रहता है ना उसको, कि कस्टमर्स के जो भी रहते हैं उनको सॉल्व करना, ये सब. तो अब उसके जहन में ये बात बैठ गई है, वो मुझे शेयर कर रहा था, बोला कि फ्लिपकार्ट से तो भाई कुछ लेना ही नहीं. मतलब मतलब ये है कि मतलब उसके जहन में बैठ चुका है कि अब कुछ नहीं लेना, मतलब ये फ्लिपकार्ट पे ये सब होता ही रहता है। अब वो इसमें काम कर रहा है फ्लिपकार्ट में, और उसको व्यूज तो आएंगे ना, कस्टमर सर्विस में काम कर रहा है।
हाँ।
जी, तो मतलब मेरा मतलब बोलने का ये है कि आदमी जिसमें रहता है तो आदमी वहीं तक सोचता है, फिर उसके आगे नहीं सोच पाता है।
ओके, समझा। So guys, one question to all of you. आप लोग सहमत हो मेरे suggestions of improvements? अगर गलत है तो you can tell me, it's my personal thing, there's no problem. आप लोग ज्यादा मुझसे इस फील्ड में काम किए हो, मैंने तो कभी इन सब फील्ड में काम नहीं किया, मैंने एज अ कस्टमर ये पॉइंट्स डाले। या
Your suggestions are really great, Varun. Again, this
या
side.
Varun.
So that suggestion to provide a pop-up when you are purchasing the item saying that this cannot be returned, it's only a replaceable product. It's a really good suggestion. And you see, if you have contacted the customer service for that little item that you're saying which is not returnable, what they will do once they provide you a replacement, and again if you provide an honest problem like you purchased the item by mistake, they provide you the return, right?
And okay, this I didn't know, but I've taken it, I've kept it as a extra one.
Yeah, and secondly, I would like to apologize on company's behalf. You had to go through to find the number on the Google, and you found it like in an hour or so. What you can do, you can just open the application, and from the left side you get this pane, and if you go to the very bottom, you see contact us option within the application. You don't have to search the phone number, and there you see chat with us, or a button that says call me right now. So you don't have to call Amazon. Amazon will call you right away. So
this I was not aware. Okay.
So since I'm not in that leadership position that where I can suggest them some improvement, but I do like to see where Amazon is advertising more on how to contact their customer service.
Yeah, actually, so what had happened, I had ordered 2000 plus products, and it was reaching my brother's hostel जहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, and nor it was trying, and आ गया कि वो ship भी हो गया, so I was in a very this thing 2000 तो पूरे ही waste हो गए. There is no one to collect also. तो मतलब पूरा ही वैकेट हो गया था उनके पूरी बैच का, तो उसका कोई फ्रेंड भी नहीं था. So that's why I was in a very hurry कि कहाँ किसको कॉल करूँ, और नंबर भी मिला तो काफी टाइम बाद मिला. So that's why I put it कि मतलब काफी टाइम लग गया.
So it's very early stage in e-commerce as of now in India, and there are a lot of new exciting features coming soon. So yeah, very excited to be part of this. Being in this generation, we will see the improvement of e-commerce going forward in coming.
Yeah, actually with some checklist also, just like मतलब I think they will even work on how people are misusing it. I think उस पे भी कुछ होगा उनका.
Exactly, ma'am. That's why for some pin codes in all over India, they now don't provide cash on delivery.
Yeah. This was a case study. Yes. Cash on delivery was misused like anything. Yes. I remember.
Yeah, they just
जैसे ही प्रोडक्ट आया उन्होंने कहा कि हमें नहीं चाहिए और बेच दिया क्योंकि कैश ऑन डिलीवरी था. Yes.
Even that is acceptable. But in a lot of cases, they beat the driver and then take the product, all of the cash that he is carrying and all the items that he is carrying. They just come behind, close the eyes, and beat the driver and take the products. There are a lot of FIRs on these cases as well.
Okay.
So for some shady areas, for some shady pin codes, now Amazon do not provide cash on delivery.
Yes. This was the case study. Yes, they were returning like anything just because it was a cash on delivery.
Security is must.
Exactly.
Fine, thank you so much, my lovely students. So we had a thorough discussions, and I have one more company. I don't know, Binja will shout at me कि we are late. I just want to take 10 more minutes. So so return or exchange policy ऐसे I was just going through कि कैसे enhance कर सके. ये कोई Amazon या कुछ नहीं है. This is for all the e-commerce companies whichever. So firstly, make return policies easy to find. Second, give customer more time to return. जो उसका time frame है वो बड़ा रखना. Then next one is use simple English in the policy. कुछ लोगों को इतना लीगल है ना, ऐसे लीगल जार्गन ऐसे होता है कि अभी Amazon का जो प्रोडक्ट है right from the lower class people till the CEO, मतलब everyone buys, right? ऐसा कोई ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ महंगे मतलब सिर्फ upper class ही खरीदेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. तो रिटर्न पॉलिसी ऐसे रखो कि हर किसी को एक नॉर्मल इंग्लिश जिसको आता है वो समझ जाए. And lastly, ask customers for feedback when you're making this policy. Is your return frame fine? Is your policy fine? Refund time fine? Everything. Okay. So that was in general suggestion, I was going to the internet, I found it. Now taking one more. ये था हुआ online store का, right? Abhi, let's go for an offline store, and for that I've taken one more company, and after that we'll have questions. So first I'll complete the entire thing and then we'll discuss, okay? So that we don't run on time, okay? Yeah, so DMart I've taken. So DMart exchange policy, if you can see, return and refund policy. One second, Bindya, I'm just taking 10-15 more minutes, okay? I'll cover in that. Hello?
Okay,
Bindya?
Bhumika, okay, fine.
Yeah, thank you. So DMart exchange policy, if you can see, उनका अगर आप देखोगे तो ये है. Let's delve deeper. So products purchased from our site can be returned for a refund at any DMart ready store, okay, within 7 days from the date of invoice provided. ठीक है, अगर आप ऑनलाइन से उठाते हो तो आपको कहाँ एक्सचेंज करना है? DMart ready store में एक्सचेंज करना है, okay? कब हो सकता है? The product has not been used and has not been altered in any manner. Product is intact and saleable condition, and product is accompanied by the original invoice. Okay, this is the 3 points they have put. Next, the following types of products once accepted can't be returned. एक बार ये खरीद लिया, आप return नहीं कर सकते. So refrigerated items such as butter, cheese, dahi, seasonal and festive item, decoration lights, gift packs, etc. Items which are purchased in bulk quantities, personal utility items like handkerchiefs, socks, cosmetics, etc. Fresh food and non-food items like vegetables, fruits and flowers. So ये जो भी products है, एक बार customer ने खरीद लिया तो खत्म. So you can't return it. Okay. So, and one more thing. So about the refund part of the DMart, products can only be returned for a refund. We don't provide an exchange of products. Okay, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने मैगी खरीदा और मुझे चाहिए टोमेटो सॉस, तो मैं मैगी देके टोमेटो सॉस नहीं खरीदता, मुझे मैगी का पैसे मिल जाएगा. So products purchased online from our website or mobile app can only be returned at DMart ready store. ऐसे नहीं कि मैं किधर भी return करूँ, and cannot be returned at a regular DMart store. Okay, and product purchased at our offline DMart store cannot be returned at a DMart ready store. Okay, so they have this concept. So they also have that in the event of any quality related complaint about a product, right? कुछ भी ऐसा item आया जो आपको गलत taste लगा, कुछ गलत लगा something, so you can directly contact DMart Ready customer care number, and that is given on their manufacturer or marketer of the product. उसके ऊपर दिया जाता है. Okay, as you can see, details of the consumer care is on the manufacturer marketer of that packaging of the product. Okay, and finally, the same thing, the refund policy is that. So, unka refund policy ये है, you will get it through same payment mode. If you did cash, you will get through cash. If you did through credit card, debit card, internet banking, वो उधर ही उस account पे चला जाएगा. Okay. So, उनका ये refund policy. So now, question to all of you: is the policy customer friendly, and why? Fast, one or two answer, and then we go ahead for suggestions of improvement. Hello, did you all hear DMart ka policy, or you want me to take it more once more?
No, that's fine.
Okay, so is the policy customer friendly?
Yes,
not because we have to go to a store, availability of stores.
Can you be little loud?
Location wise, store availability may be limited. So
okay.
In that area, the policy may not be customer friendly. So further improvement is required.
Lovely. Okay. Anyone else with any other?
Yes. So yeah, Bhumika, this is Abhishek here. I believe because it's an offline store, when a customer is buying it, there's no question of getting something which they do not expect, because they can physically see it.
Yeah.
So the return chances are much less than buying it online. So even if the customer is returning it, I believe they won't have to provide as much high return services that are necessary in an online store.
Okay.
I think this is good enough.
Okay. Anything else? Anyone else wants to add?
Yeah, Hamis. Actually, I'm to say that Hamis.
Yeah, Hanis, please say.
It depends on customer to customer that it's friendly or not.
Yeah, वो तो है ही, but do you think, as per you, I am talking. So whatever we are discussing, it's हमारे नजरियों से. इसके लिए वो जो सजेशन ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट था वो मेरे नजरियों से मैंने डाला है. ओके.
Yeah, Varun this side.
Yeah, Varun.
So according to me, the policy is not that customer friendly because as we all know, like no matter whatever you provide to customer, we demand more for our convenience, right?
Customer to ज़्यादा
Exactly. Right. So the policy is not friendly because there are some criteria that we have to go through to understand how we are supposed to return the product. It could be if they can just open a online portal, I can just return it through online, or I can just go to the store anytime and just return my product. No matter if I purchased a whole order, I just go and return my single product and they'll provide me the refund for that product, no question asked. Although if I am using that product and then returning it, I totally accept if they deny the product, or if there is some hygiene criteria associated with that product, they can just deny the return. That is totally acceptable. But providing a whole chart that at this time, at this location, you are supposed to return the product is little less customer friendly.
Yeah, perfectly so. So with that, anyone else wants to add, or shall I go for the suggestion for improvement slide? Hello?
Ma'am, these policies are structured like that to contain the abuse by the customer.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, no one to मतलब judge on
clear
they have
policy,
done it.
ma'am.
हाँ, हो सकता है पहले जब इन्होंने ओपन किया था तो सब कुछ ही रिटर्नेबल
क्योंकि
रखा
इस
था.
पॉलिसी में कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है ना मैम. इस पॉलिसी में कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है. कार्ड से पे किया तो कार्ड से पैसे आ गए, डायरेक्टली जाके दुकान से लिया तो दुकान में जाके बदलोगे, तो चांस ही नहीं छोड़ा कस्टमर को अब्यूज करने के लिए. अमेजोन की पॉलिसी थोड़ा कस्टमर फ्रेंडली है तो लोग अनड्यू एडवांटेज ले लेते हैं. तो ये जो कंटेन करने के लिए डीमार्ट का ऐसा पॉलिसी है. आई थिंक सो डीमार्ट कस्टमर केयर पॉलिसी इज फ्रेंडली.
Okay, fine, thank you. So these are some of the suggestions which I thought, it may be right or wrong, you can judge. So I just went through the policy and I just bought in. So firstly, इन लोग का क्या है, ऑनलाइन अगर किया तो डीमार्ट रेडी में देना है, ऑफलाइन किया तो डीमार्ट स्टोर. तो आई थिंक दैट कहीं पे भी खरीदा हो कहीं पे भी रिटर्न हो सकता है. डू यू ऑल अग्री? मतलब इट कैन बी डन, राइट? अगर मेरे घर के पास डीमार्ट स्टोर पास है ना कि डीमार्ट रेडी, so it will be easy for me to go there, right? है तो डीमार्ट का ही प्रोडक्ट ना. Hello, are you there, my students? Hello.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
So they have lot of non-returnable items.
Lot of barriers.
So
they are using lot of barriers in exchange policies.
Yeah, so they have lot of non-returnable items. If they can reduce the list थोड़ा बहुत, मतलब बहुत बड़ा लिस्ट देखा हमने, अगर वो थोड़ा बहुत reduce कर सके, because it's a suggestion for improvement. And next day they can update the return policy from 7 to 15 days if possible. सिर्फ 7 दिन का गैप दिया ना, अगर वो increase हो सकता है. And दूसरा, if they can allow the exchange of items instead of refund, वो भी अगर है तो वो भी कस्टमर के लिए अच्छा रहेगा. आप लोग सहमत हो? आप लोगों को कुछ ऐड करना है, आप लोग को कुछ डिलीट करना है, तो प्लीज गो अहेड. Last 5 minutes and then we are done with that.
Sharing some random views here about the abusive policies about the policies that are being abused by customers in India. So you see, guys, in big companies the competition is killing. So how Amazon right now, currently Amazon is not making a good profit from India. What they are trying to do is to just eliminate the competition here. So let me give you a very funny and a very interesting example. I think we all use Windows operating system and we don't pay for the operating system. We don't get the license. We just use cracked softwares. Am I right? Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like, can anybody tell me, like, I purchased Windows for this 1,000. So Microsoft knows this, that a lot of customers, the individuals, are using their operating system for free of cost without purchasing the license, but they are doing nothing about it. Why? Because if you provide a lot of customers operating system for free of cost, they use it. But if you are running a company, let's say IGNU or RAI, they are using this team, Microsoft team or operating system in their universities or their corporate, then they have to pay for the license, and corporate or university will pick up only for those operating system which is user friendly by the whole population of country, right? So if they provide whole population operating system free of cost, they are not investigating that if you are using this operating system without the license and we will charge some lawsuit against you, they will not do this, because they are just using you as your audience. They are getting you addicted to their software, and then they will charge the corporate and universities. Same like Jio, they first got us, gave us some free offers, and then when we are hooked to their services, now they are charging us. Same with Amazon.
Yeah.
They are providing some abusive policies to just eliminate the competition. And once we are with Amazon, then they will, make their policies little strict to met the demographics. That's why their policies are little friendly these days.
Yeah, they are cool. So these were my suggestion for improvement. If all are agreeing to it, can I go to the next slide? Hello.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
Anyone wants to add anything?
Yes, ma'am.
और जो मुझसे कुछ agree नहीं करते इसमें कुछ तो. Okay. So again,
I have a personal question from Abhishek sir. Abhishek sir, are you there? Abhishek sir, are you there? Who is a trainer in somewhere? Who is a trainer?
Yeah, I'm not sir. Yeah,
This side Kishan Kanojia, and some when you call our teachers by their names, it is it is not really appreciable because बाकी students भी same आपके जैसा करने लगेंगे. So please, so मैं माफी चाहूँगा अगर आपको बुरा लगा हो तो. बहुत सारे students हैं, they will do same. So it will not be a code of conduct. So please maintain.
Yeah, I do that because I've been working for quite some time, and I'm habituated to that professional environment, and also because of my age. So I do that, and I think
no matter. I do understand first name culture है उधर. It's okay.
Yes, exactly.
So thank you, Kishan. You spoke on everyone's behalf.
Yeah, I think it's hello. Hello.
Hello.
Taking names is a respect actually, because you are recognizing a person by their name, right? That's the huge respect the person gets. So Kanojia sir, I'm so sorry for the problem that you face.
We will not fight on this. Everyone has different perspective on that. So it's okay. So however you guys are comfortable. So it's he just told in terms of a teacher or something. So we'll not get into that.
Bhumika, let's first come
I'm going
to
to
point.
the next.
Hello.
Hello.
Bhumika, I think
only
we
15
should
minutes
continue.
are left. So let's come to point.
Yeah, Bindya, I'm on the last slide. Just 1 minute. Okay. So I went through the internet and I was searching कि कैसे हम लोग normal suggestion for improvement any stores के लिए ढूंढ सकते हैं. So which is offline, online or however, more towards the offline part. So firstly, make your policy very prominent. Okay, ऐसे नहीं कि लोगों को पूरा अपना वेबसाइट छान के भीन के कहीं पे भी नहीं मिल रहा है, इतने कोने में कहीं घुसा के रखा है कि मिला ही नहीं. So make your policy prominent कि लोगों को पता चले किधर है policy and what is the policy. Keep the language very simple. कोई आपका English test नहीं लेना, कोई आपका English का language का proficiency नहीं देखने वाला. Keep it as simple कि even the person who with little English knowledge can understand. Keep a reasonable time frame. Okay, ऐसे नहीं कि बोलना है कि बस 2 दिन में return करना है तो करना है. मतलब बाढ़ आ जाए कुछ भी आ जाए, we don't care, we want it. So reasonable time frame that customer can come back. Everyone is busy in their life, so they can return. Okay. Next part is define the expected conditions of return. So very clearly, okay, कहीं पे भी ना customer फायदा उठा सके ना company फायदा उठा सके. It should be very very clear line of thing that it has to have that expected condition of return. Okay. Next, last, tell them about the shipping cost. This is again for this thing that is online. अगर हम करते हैं, there are some items which will जो कहाँ से आता है, अलग जगह से आता है. For example, कश्मीर की apples मंगा रहे तो कश्मीर का shipping cost तो होगा, right? So whatever, so अगर costing है, so please tell them you are replacing, you are doing that, but shipping cost will be done and that will be borne by you. Okay. So determine so whether your offer store will credit the full thing or full refund. Store credit is that उस particular store के ऊपर आपका credit अगली बार जब आप खरीदेंगे तो वो off हो जाएगा. Otherwise full refund, you get your money back. Okay. Then use customer feedback to regularly update your policy. So ask the customers कि how is the policy, what can be done. Do you think the time frame is fine? Do you think हमने जो policies रखा है वो सही है? Is it strict? Is it lenient? So your customer will be the best person to tell. So and most importantly, prevent return before they happen. So if you can understand what is the customer psyche, क्यों returns हो रहे हैं, यहाँ पे quality issue हो रहा है, यहाँ पे size issue हो रहा है. So there are many reasons जहाँ पे companies भी can contribute and tell कि return क्यों होता, okay, and why the return happens and why मतलब there are some things which can be easily avoidable, some areas return, so you can work on that prevention. And lastly, that is data analytics. Okay, so data analytics is that just like Varun and we were telling, that is in particular pin codes cash on delivery बंद कर दिया. So really really उस कंपनी को इतना लॉस हो रहा था, हर कोई ऑर्डर किए जा रहा था एंड रिटर्न कर रहा था, ऑर्डर किए जाता रिटर्न कर रहा था, बिकॉज उनको ऑर्डर करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है और कैश ऑन डिलीवरी है, तो कैश ऑन डिलीवरी तो पैसे भी नहीं देने पड़ेंगे. They tried the return, ऐसा होते होते वहां पे. So data analytics, they realized that this particular area, this particular pin codes have been heavily misusing. So, and lastly, one more point which I came across is that आपका जो terminology है, it should be very properly legally sound की मतलब इतना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं कि कोई भी कस्टमर आपके ऊपर चढ़ के बोले. सो इट शुड बी स्ट्रांग इनफ, जितना सिंपल है उतना ही लीगली स्ट्रांग इनफ भी होना चाहिए कि देयर शुड बी नॉट बी एनी लूप होल. ओके, so with that I complete my today's session, but I'm still there for 10 more minutes so that we can have a doubt session. It was lovely interacting with all of you. I learned a lot of things. Thank you Varun, Abhishek, so many other people who contributed so much to tell, like as a BPO trainer, the Amazon person, and so many things you said. So you made my session more interesting and more valuable. So thank you all my students who participated. Yeah. So with that, I open the floor for doubts, and you can ask or you can share whatever you want to share. And yeah, one last request on the chat box. Please let me know the feedback. So that is my feedback, as you are my students, my customers or whatever. So you should be happy. Yeah. So with that, I open the session for doubts.
I'm Varun this side. First of all, no doubts from my end. No doubts from my end. The session is really informative for me, and thank you very much for conducting this session.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. Thank you.
Thank you. It's my honor.
This is Abhishek Bhumika. Thank you so much. It's always lovely to attend your sessions. So thank you so much. It was really informative.
Hi Bhumika ma'am, this is Pooja. Thank you so much. It was a great session. Actually, I've got a lot of points to add in my team also. So thank you everyone. Thank you ma'am.
Okay. I'm really honored if it has helped you in any way. So you all are my starfishes, and if I could add, मतलब जैसे उसने fake के मतलब tea में डाला, वैसे ही if I could add that knowledge of thing to in your brain or in your life, then it has made me. I have made a difference. That's what my take is.
Ma'am, could we make a request? Ma'am, could we make a request to IGNOU to conduct all classes from you, like by?
Yes, it will be a request.
I don't know. Vindhya would be the person. So I have my another 2 upcoming sessions with you, 30th and 1st.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Varun, Vindhya ma'am is here. Let's request her then.
Yeah, sure. So just wanted to ask, ma'am, do you work for IGNOU or do you work for RAI, the Retail Association of India?
I work for RAI.
Oh, I see. And Vindhya ma'am is from IGNOU, right?
No, she's also from RAI. Well, she's coordinating. Yeah, she's coordinating with IGNOU, but she's from RAI.
So, ma'am, as a RAI, what do RAI regulates the Retail Association of India, or is it for teaching purpose? The RAI is for teaching purpose or to regulate the retail?
So, RAI is into a lot of things, advocacy updates. So we work with the government, semi-governments, everything regarding retail. So we are for the retail. We have been set up in order to develop this retail sector. Okay, so it can be facilitating, it can be bringing updates, like working with the governments and all. So it's divided into 3-4 parts. One is advocacy. Second is into retail learning, where retail learning, we have workshops for different retail associates and everything. So we have our signature workshop and etc. Apart from that, we also have a tie-up with IGNOU where we support BBA. Okay, with the noble cause that since in India there are a lot of people due to family pressure or due to unforeseen circumstances, they couldn't complete their degree But through this program, they get a wonderful opportunity which they can complete their degree as well as without leaving their job. Okay, so that's the reason RAI has been supporting. So under that initiative, I've been meeting you people. So I am really very passionate about teaching. So that's
That's really great, man. So teaching is not your core responsibilities with RAI, right? You are a manager with RAI, but you teach on site to fulfill the partnership with IGNOU so that you can provide all this knowledge to us, since we are not doing a regular degree.
Yeah, teaching has been my passion throughout. I'm a guest lecturer even in Wellington College, which is in Mumbai.